Doing good? Is this recipe guaranteed to make mom feel like the queen that she is? Happy Meowthers Day.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Mother's Day cocktail. Because nothing says I love you quite like a cocktail that helps her forget all the nonsense you've put her through. The drink I'm making today is going to be called a Fleur du Paradis, which translates to a heaven's flower. She's still alive. My mom's still alive. Let's get to it. First up, we're gonna need some booze. If you're on a terrible date, just have some of this. I guarantee it'll make it more gin-tristing. 2 ounces of gin. What do you call a dog that has a drinking problem? Saint Germain Shepherd. 3/4 ounces, Saint Germain goes in. It's basically an elderflower liqueur. It's important to respect your elder flowers. Ooh. Get yourself some pamplemousse. They're grape fruit. My sense of smell is all right, but my eyesight is not the grapest. You're so stupid. The juice is loose. Loosey juicy. Freshly squeezed some grapefruit juice. Grapefruit's good. 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Pamplemousse juice. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Goes in. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Sweet. Sweet, literally. Ha! Ha! 1 dash of the orange version of me. Bitter. Orange bitters. Wah! 1 dash. Boop, 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 boop. Now shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your cocktails. Shake your cocktails. Woo! Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Now we're gonna fine strain into a chilled glass. Chill out. Ooh. Top it off with a little bit of bubbly. And what's Mother's Day without flowers? Pretty. Like my mom. I love you, mother. Woohoo! Happy Mother's Day from these 2 princes. Thoughts? No. No, it's not for you. Bye, friends.